the fast-paced digital era, where attention spans are fleeting and competition is fierce, businesses need to adopt innovative strategies to stay ahead. One such strategy that has become indispensable in the marketing landscape is leveraging social media platforms. In this video, we will explore the various ways in which businesses can utilize social media for marketing success and establish a strong online presence. Before we go any further, hit the like button and the subscribe button, share this video, and comment your best social media platform down below. Without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is understanding the social media landscape. Before delving into strategies, it's crucial to understand the diverse landscape of social media platforms. From Facebook and Instagram to Twitter and LinkedIn, each platform caters to a unique audience and offers distinct features. Tailoring your marketing approach to suit each platform is the first step towards success. The second thing to know is building a consistent brand image. Consistency is key in the world of social media marketing. Establishing a cohesive brand image across all platforms helps build brand recognition and fosters trust among your audience. Use consistent visual elements such as logos and color schemes, and maintain a unified brand voice in your content. The third is identifying and targeting your audience. One of the strengths of social media lies in its ability to connect businesses with their target audience. Utilize analytics tools provided by platforms to understand your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your content to resonate with your target audience, increasing engagement and conversion rates. You have probably heard content is king, and that is the fourth. Creating compelling and shareable content is the cornerstone of any successful social media strategy. Whether it's eye-catching visuals, informative blog posts, or engaging videos, content should be tailored to your audience's preferences. Regularly update your content to keep your audience engaged and encourage them to share, widening your reach organically. The fifth is leveraging paid advertising. While organic reach is essential, paid advertising on social media platforms can significantly boost your visibility. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising options, allowing you to reach specific demographics. Allocate a portion of your marketing budget to paid campaigns, ensuring your content reaches a wider and more targeted audience. The sixth one is engaging with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions promptly. Encourage discussions, run polls, and ask for feedback to foster a sense of community. Building strong relationships with your audience can lead to brand loyalty and advocacy. The seventh is embracing influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has emerged as a powerful tool in the social media realm. Collaborate with influencers whose values align with your brand to leverage their reach and credibility. Influencers can introduce your products or services to a wider audience, providing an authentic touch that resonates with their followers. The eighth is monitoring analytics and adjusting strategies. Regularly monitor the performance of your social media campaigns through analytics tools. Track key metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Analyzing this data allows you to identify what works and what doesn't, enabling you to refine and optimize your strategies for better results. And the ninth is staying ahead of trends. Social media is dynamic, with trends constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve by monitoring industry trends and adapting your content accordingly. Embrace new features and formats introduced by platforms to keep your content fresh and engaging. In a world where digital connections are integral to business success, harnessing the potential of social media is non-negotiable. By understanding the nuances of each platform, building a consistent brand image, creating compelling content, and embracing innovative strategies, businesses can propel themselves to marketing success. Remember, the key lies not only in reaching your audience, but in creating meaningful connections that endure over time. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so whenever I post more awesome content like this, you will be the first to know.